Today we'll talk about managing our trained artifacts or models. We can find all the trained artifacts under the Artifacts tab, and clicking into it, we can then see all the artifacts that are named after our workflow listed here. There are some overview information that we can see, such as checkpoint, when it was saved, validation loss, and other. And you can also find your artifact ID by hovering over the unique ID, and you can copy it if you need it to use it with SDK. Or we can identify which run ID this is associated with. And if you are unsure about which artifact that you would prefer, you can use so to identify the run trainings. And you can select the drop-down at the bottom right corner and click View Run. There are also other options such as export artifacts, create deployments, which means to host the model on Datature platform for inferencing. We can also rename the artifact if you want, or we can delete the artifact. Now, to export and download our models, you can click Export Artifacts, and you can see that a list of model exports formats will be displayed, and select Generate for one of the model options that you prefer, and the model will begin generating. So this is shown by the spinning wheel, and once it's ready, the download button will appear, and you can select download, and the model will download to your local files as a zip file.